My name is Alex and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I have to make a confession. Over the past couple of months, I've been busting my butt working extremely hard on this YouTube channel. And in the process of doing so, I've pretty much stopped working out completely and I've really just hit a giant hump in my life. And now that I have a little bit more time on my hands, I want to start working out a lot more. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my progression throughout 30 days, doing 100 push-ups every single morning. And just to make sure that I stay on track and keep up with my push-ups every single day, I created this little calendar right here. So I started on September 15th and I plan on ending on October 15th. And I'm not sure if you can see this or not, but today is Tuesday, September 22nd, and it has officially been 1 week since I began. So it's been a week and I feel great. Honestly, my chest, my arms, my whole body just feels a whole lot better. So on top of the 100 push-ups every single morning, I'm also doing a 30-minute workout in the evening. So I'm really doing my best to give my body, to give myself the best physique as I possibly can throughout this 1 month period. So without any further ado, let's get on the floor and bust out these 100 push-ups.
Instinct. Instinct. Instinct.
Alright everyone, so I've just finished all 30 days doing 100 push-ups every single day. And as you can see right here, I started on September 15th and today is October 15th, 2020. So just to be a little bit transparent with you guys, I did change a few things on top of the 100 push-ups every single day. I did alter how I ate my food and what types of food I ate. And I also worked out for roughly 30 to 45 minutes for about 4 days a week, doing mostly high intensity ab workouts and then cardio workouts. So when it came to my food, I pretty much tried to portion my food appropriately. I tried not to overeat as much. I tried to stick to roughly a 2,000 calorie diet every single day, trying to minimize the amount of carbs that I ate and try to really increase the amount of protein. So minimize the carbs, increase the protein, but then try to condense those meals and make it roughly around 2,000 calories. Since I began this 30-day challenge, I haven't gained or lost any weight, so I'm still roughly 164 pounds. As you guys have seen, I've gained a lot of muscle, but I've also lost a lot of fat, especially in my abdominal area and my obliques. So the final takeaway for this 30-day challenge, I definitely see a big difference from the September 15th to today, October 15th. There's a huge difference between this 30-day timeline in terms of my body and how my physique looked then to how it looks right now. I definitely encourage you to try out this 30-day challenge for yourself. I definitely feel a whole lot better, especially looking a lot better than what I did 30 days ago. And on top of that, try to alter the way you eat less carbs, eat more protein, and try to really condense your caloric intake on a daily basis. Try not to overeat, but also try not to starve yourself. Try to find that right balance, and also try to work out at least 4 times a week to supplement your eating and these 100 push-ups every single day. But if you guys did enjoy this video and you found the information helpful, make sure you leave a like for the YouTube algorithm and share this video with a friend. If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys click on that subscribe button down below and click on the post notifications as well to never miss a new video. If you guys want to help support my YouTube channel, you can using the first links at the top of the description. I've got my self-haircut course, my merch, and my Patreon for you guys to check out. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Peace!